Sometimes in QGIS we cannot find the layers panel here. For example, I have added this raster file here, so you can see here I cannot find the layers panel here, and also browser as well. So how you can add layers panel here, and also browser, and also other things. So how you can do it? In this video I will show you how you can add this layers panel if it is missing. So just follow me. First go to view, and then you will find here panels. So here you can see layers. Just check it, and you can see layers panel has been added. And similarly, if you can add the browser, then again go to view, and then panels, and then browser. You can also add from here is CP doc and GPS information, advanced digitizing, so many things here. So here's the simple process if you miss layers panel here. Thank you.